don't know if you can see them, but all the birds are like on all the branches in the trees. They're all kind of singing. Can anybody tell me, what does that mean? Look at them. Then they take off, and they're all like flying. I wonder, I hope you can see them. Oh my gosh. They're all like a bunch of them. Just, wow. I don't think my phone does it any justice how many of them it is. They're just flying all around. Like, wow. Jeez, here they come. Wow. Look at them. Whoa. And then they got quiet. Oh my gosh, look at their formation. Oh my Jesus. Whoa. Whoa. Gosh. Oh, wow. Oh my Jesus. Wow. I just don't know what to say except wow. Anybody know what make them do that? Talk about formation. Being together. Just think if God's people would do that. What a mighty blow we would strike to this world, this government, to the wickedness that tries to exalt itself above God's people.